friend, and welcome or welcome back. Recently, a couple of weeks ago, I filmed a video on the things that I was purging after about a month of decluttering. Today, I want to talk about 10 things that I am not decluttering. These things are the things that I have been loving, my minimalist favorites. I do not bring a lot of new things into my home. I am super mindful of the things that I keep and especially the things that I buy. So when I say this is something I've been loving, it's really something that I have truly been enjoying because I don't have a lot of excess. These are the things that I use and love. Thank you for being here today, and let's talk about these favorites. I absolutely love makeup. I have for years and years, and after I simplified my life and started living more minimally and clutter-free, my love for makeup did not die. I decluttered so much of my collection, but I still enjoy wearing makeup. This is the That's Taupe eyeshadow palette by ColourPop. And this has been one that I reach for again and again and again. The colors are just so neutral. They look very natural, but super flattering on the eyes. This is definitely more cool toned, but I love that it has different finishes, and I love this. I think it's so nice, and you really don't need much beyond this. If you're somebody who likes cool tone neutrals, this is basically all you need. And then the lipstick that I'm wearing today and that I've reached for again and again is this by Maybelline. It's super affordable. It's called Pink for Me. It is again a little bit on the cooler side, a little bit more mauvey, but it is the perfect nudie pink. I find that it goes with everything, and the formula on this is so rich and creamy. It really does feel like a high-end luxury lipstick. A couple of snacks that I have been crazy about lately are this one. This is called Off the Eaten Path. These are chickpea veggie crisps. They don't sound amazing, but they are so good. They're a little bit healthier. They're made with rice, chickpeas, peas, and black peas. I will be honest, I hate peas, like green peas, but I love these. They're so crunchy, and they've kind of got this like air popped texture, which just makes them amazing. I eat chocolate every day of my life. Let me know if you are like me. I love chocolate so much. This is the dark chocolate acai. These are not cheap, but they are worth every penny. These are the acai and blueberry flavored little chocolate balls. Oh my gosh, they are so good. If you do like a little bit of a sweeter dark chocolate like I do, I don't like a super bitter dark chocolate. And if you like chewy, then these are for you. They are so incredible. And really you don't need many and you're totally satisfied. So I'll have a few of these after lunch and it totally satisfies my craving. It's delicious. In a recent video, I mentioned these under the drawer organizers. I'm going to mention them again in case you missed it, but these are so handy. I got this off of Amazon, and what I love is that they're stackable, and I actually like that they're clear so that you can see exactly what's inside. I think these would be great for like cleaning sponges, different little cleaning products. You could do it, craft supplies. I just think there are a lot of ways that you could use this. And if you're like me and your bathroom or your home doesn't have a lot of drawers, something like this is super handy. So I really love this, and I will link it below for you. I absolutely adore the Mrs. Meyer's surface sprays. I think they're just so lovely, and they really do work for lifting like grime and dirt and smudges off of your surfaces. They came out with a new scent that I love. This one is called Daisy, and it's definitely more floral. So if you do not like floral whatsoever, then you might not like this, but it does kind of remind me of the peony scent in that it's very light and sweet and florally. But this one is just perfect heading into spring. I love how strong these are. They really just fill up your house and make it smell so amazing. So as a new scent that I have tried, I cannot recommend this enough. I think you're going to love it. I picked up this super awesome magazine off of Amazon. This is by Real Simple, and this is Clutter-Free Home. Get organized and stay organized. Why I love this is it breaks down each and every room and area of your home and tells you how to go about decluttering it and organizing it. The questions that you should ask yourself, systems that you can put into place to make things run more smoothly. I think this is awesome. I will have this linked below along with everything else I can find links for. But this one is just really great, especially if you're just in the beginning stages of decluttering your home, or you just want to get a little bit more organized. This is going to give you a lot of ideas and some great inspiration. The photos are also really great. Martha Stewart has this really, really fun book. It's called Martha Stewart's Organizing. Super basic title, but it goes so far beyond organizing. She gives you a monthly schedule for each month of the year and lets you know kind of seasonally what you're gonna do around your house and of course in the garden because it's Martha, but she gives you different crafts and recipes along with the organizing and getting things out of your house. This again is one that's just so beautiful. The photos of course are top notch. Here's some like organizing for fridge. It's so pretty. This would make a really nice coffee table book if you like that kind of thing, but I just really love poring over this and getting tons of inspiration for the seasons. Who else grew up watching Sister Sister with Tia and Tamara? You're gonna have to let me know in a comment. This was my favorite show growing up. Tia came out recently with this cookbook. She also has a YouTube channel that I love. I'll link it. This is called The Quick Fix Kitchen, and I absolutely am impressed. I am so impressed with all the information she gives you at the beginning of the book. She tells you what kind of tools you're gonna want in your kitchen, what a staple pantry looks like, how to organize and declutter, how to utilize a counter space, a balanced kitchen, and then of course her recipes are phenomenal. They're kind of on the healthier side, honestly, which I appreciate, but her banana bread recipe is off the charts. I love it so much. I have a YouTube channel recommendation for you. Her name is Ashlyn Eaton, and I adore this woman. She is so inspiring on the front of minimalism, living a more intentional and clutter-free life. She is all about mindfulness and how to move forward, making really well thought out decisions for your finances, for your home, for your health. She's just a beautiful, well-rounded channel, and I really appreciate her presentation. So I will have her linked down below. She's absolutely lovely, and I think you guys will love her. Let me know what some of your current favorites are. Please click subscribe. I make videos around clutter-free living and a simplified home every single week. Thank you for being here today, and I'll see you soon. Bye.